So let's have a close look and see. Here we go. Look at the worms wiggling around. They're really happy. I think we might sing a song about wiggly worms. Do you know one? I do. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all day and wiggle all night. The neighbours get such a terrible fright. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly, Wiggly. Name is Wiggly Woo. Now, do you know that I also know how to dance like a worm? Have you ever danced like a worm? Well, let's give it a go.